All right, so to change your voicemail password on your iPhone, we'll first go to Settings and then scroll all the way down to Apps. From the list of apps, we're going to go down to the Phone app. I like to slide my finger on the letters on the side to quickly find what I'm looking for. And then in the Phone app settings, you're going to go all the way down and you'll see a blue button that says Change Voicemail Password. Tap into that and then just type in your new password and tap the check mark and you're done. Now, sometimes when you type in the new PIN, this check mark might stay grayed out. This happens if your cellular carrier requires a minimum of 7 digits for security. Some carriers are fine with 4 digits like mine here. I could just use 4 numbers and tap Done, but some will require up to 7. So if it stays grayed out, just add a few more numbers to your PIN and it should work. If the Change Voicemail Password option is missing from your menu entirely, it means your device has temporarily lost its visual voicemail handshake with your carrier. The fix for that? You can disable Wi-Fi. Go to Control Center, turn off your Wi-Fi, and make sure you have cellular bars up there, meaning you're connected to the cellular network. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is go to the Phone app, press and hold number 1, and that'll call your carrier's voicemail inbox manually. Then, you just follow the voice prompts in the inbox, and you can reset and change the PIN through the menu over the phone. That's kind of the old school way of managing your voicemail, and it still works on these newer phones as well. And that's it. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more. Thanks all. Until next time.